Hi, good day everyone. My name is Pam and today I will be teaching you how to create an Ethernet cable. But before that, let us know what is Ethernet. Ethernet is a LAN technology that defines the system of connecting computers. And when we say LAN, it is a local area network that is confined to relatively small area of connecting computers, and can be found in our computer laboratory, computer libraries, faculty offices, in school files, and it is connecting computers within the establishment and uses an Ethernet cable to be connected together. Now, it allows multiple users to exchange files, share printers, and access the internet. Of course, we're not able to create our computer network connection without the use of Ethernet cable. So I have here the UTP cable, or the unshielded twisted pair, and it is consists of wires bundled together, and it is classified according to its category, and its category defines the number of twisted pairs and speed of data transmission. So as you can see, it is consists of 4 paired insulated wires.
Category number 1 used to carry voice transmission and used for telephone cable. Category number 2 designed for telephone and data communication and has a speed of 4 Mbps. Category 3 used for computer networking and has a speed of 10 Mbps for data transmission. Category 4 with a speed of 16 Mbps. Category 5 has a speed of 100 Mbps for data transmission. Category 5E allows communication with 1000 Mbps, and it is enhanced, higher quality version of category number 5.
We will going to use the category 5 UTP cable. So we will have to be familiar with the types of Ethernet cable as well. So we have a straight-through cable connection and crossover. Straight-through is used to connect devices of different types, such as computer connected to a network switch, while crossover is used to connect computing devices together directly. It is used to connect two like devices, such as hub connected to a hub devices, and computer connected directly to a computer.
We have two different color combination for straight-through and crossover cable. So for straight-through, the color combinations are white-orange, orange, white-green, blue, white-blue, green, white-brown, and brown. Now for the crossover, we have white-green, green, white-orange, blue, white-blue, orange, white-brown, and brown.
So what are the materials needed? So first we have crimping tool that used to lock up our RJ45 to the Ethernet cable. We have, of course, the UTP cable, size of 1 meter, but it's depend to the size of your choice. Okay, of course, we have a cable tester. So it has a complete light indicator for 8 pins. And when we test the cable, it should all lit up. And of course, we have the RJ45. Alright, so let's start. Alright, first we will use a wire stripper to remove the jacket or to strip the wire jacket of our UTP cable. So for about 1.5 inch. Then turn it around. Then there it is. It is stripped. Alright, then you have to arrange the wires or untwist or you have to spread all 4 pairs of twisted cord. Some. So as you can see, there is 4 pair of insulated wires in our UTP cable. So we have to arrange it according to the color combination of a straight through cable, since we are going to use a straight through cable connection. So first one, we have white orange. We have to untwist white orange, then orange, then followed by white green, then blue, and white blue followed by green, and white brown and brown. So make sure that you also straighten our wires so that it would be easy to insert it to our RJ45. So we have to make sure that our wires is short enough to insert in our RJ45. So let's start inserting it with correct pin connection. So I have already inserted it. Okay. Then that's the time we'll use crimping tool to lock our RJ45 to Ethernet cable. Alright, so it is locked up. So it is our cable. This is for the another end. Okay. I arranged it same with the other end. Again, use crimping tool to straighten up our wires to cut it straight. Okay, have to insert it to our RJ45. Make sure that it has the same position with other RJ45 at the other end. Okay, ready to lock. Again, insert it to our crimping tool. Okay. Then, push. Okay, now it's time to use our cable tester. Okay, our Ethernet cable tester. So, have to turn it on. So, both ends should light up, called a pin indicator. We have to insert both ends. Okay. So as you can see, okay, so it's working. Our network Ethernet cable is working. So this is how we created it. So follow the procedure and just make sure that you know all of the color combination. And by the way, we create, or the type of network connection we created is a straight through. It connects different type of devices. Okay. I hope that you've learned today. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to our classes about computer network. Thank you. Good day. Bye.